are going to talk about this afternoon about the wars and the rumors of wars. But before that, let's read again James 4:1-8. From whence come wars and fightings among you? Come they not hence, even of your lust that war in your members? Ye lust and have not. Ye kill and desire to have, and cannot obtain. Ye fight and war, yet ye have not, because ye ask not. Ye ask and receive not, because ye ask amiss, that ye may consume it upon your lust. Ye adulterers and adulteresses, know ye not that the friendship of the world is enmity with God? Whoever therefore will be a friend of the world is the enemy of God. Do you think that the Scripture saith in vain, the Spirit that dwelleth in us lusted to envy? But He giveth more grace, wherefore He said, God resisteth the proud, but giveth grace unto the humble. Submit yourselves therefore to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Draw nigh to God, and He will draw nigh to you. Cleanse your hands, ye sinners, and purify your hearts, ye double-minded. The first point of our message is, where do wars originate? Asa man yun nagsugod? Asa man yun ang pinakaubod? Pinakaubod o pinakaugat? Pinagsinugdan. Dili si Noel ang pinakasinugdan sa gubat. Asa nagsugod ang gubat? Where does it begin? In verse 1, it says, ye lust and have not. Verse 2 rather. Ye kill and ye fight and war. Kay duna kay gitinguha, duna kay desire, o sana sa binisaya ang lust, duna kay naibugan, duna kay you lust. Doon na kay gikaibugan, and then wa nimo siya batoni, and then you fight and you war. O muna siya isinugdan sa kagubot. Ye ask and receive not, because you ask amiss. Doon ako nung kay gipangayo sa Ginoo, nagampo ka o wa gihatag sa Ginoo. Dunay usa ka tawo Kristohano nagampo, Ginoo hatagi ko nga makadaog ko sa loto. Nagampo na ba mo niya na? Kung makadaog ka sa loto si Dr. Tony, nga kay iyang buhaton. Unsay atong buhaton kung si Dr. Tony makadaog sa loto?
Run away.
Ato na ta sa Marco Polo mag-worship. Ikaw siguro no? Ato na siya pangandoy, makadaog kung taong luto. Maski ka isa lang ko makataya, and then I will win the lotto. Dako siguro, palit siguro property ang Curious Community Fellowship. Kay kanang sintro yun, kanang palito na to ng Fuente Osmeña. Kaya ta mag-church. Asa?
Dito lang yan, Pastor.
Ha?
Dito lang yan.
Listen kayo na, dili mo sugod sa Osmeña. So, mangita na lang taglaing lugar. Kung daog ta sa loto, muna yung pag-ampo na to. Ha? Palito na to. Ayan ang L, kay Naso. Dito tas gawas ka ng sintrog yun. Kumahimo sa kulon. Palito na to ang Gaisano Metro. Dito tamang kuan, or SRT, or wherever. Karang nindot nga lugar. Tubagon ka sa Ginoo, nindot ka itang mga pangandoy, tubagon ka sa Ginoo, na makadaog ka sa luto para makabalit ang lugar. I think the Lord will not answer our prayers. Kaya nga naman, ang Ginoo will not allow us to gamble. Dili mo tugot ang Ginoo, that is something that we ask amiss. And the Lord will surely not give us that request. And naman ang mga Christian, mangayo sila, and they ask amiss, and then there will be trouble because they will not be answered by the Lord. And what is the main reason why the Lord will not answer our prayers in verse 3? That the reason is that ye may consume it upon your lust. The reason why wala tuguti ang atong pangayo kay ang atong desire lamang nga ma-fulfill ang atong lust. Naatay lust, naatay pangibog nga makabaton og sa kabutang o ang Ginoo ang atong amahan dili motugot nga mohatag nato nianang butanga. And that is plainly hedonism. Unsa man ang hedonism? Hedonism. This is the Greek word for lust. Hedone, meaning to lust or pleasure. Hedonism, according to the dictionary, is the belief that pleasure or happiness is the most important goal in life. Muna siya ay goal sa mga tao. They want to be happy. Happiness is their aim in life. That is hedonism. The doctrine that pleasure or happiness is the sole or chief good in life. Muna siya tumong sa mga tao. That is basically hedonism. The other synonyms for hedonism is carnality, debauchery, sensuality, sybaritism, voluptuousness. Munay mga tao nga nag-do og hedonism. Muna sila. And how does God call them? In verse 4, He calls them adulterers and adulteresses. Unsa man yung mga adulterers? Unsa man ang adultery? You have a relationship outside marriage. Muna siyang adulterers. Katong ng mga tao nga mga hedonist, katong ipangita lang ang ilahang mga lust, they are also called by the Lord as adulterers. Meaning, it is similar to having a relationship outside marriage. And it is also called idolatry. Masa man ang idolatry? Kung naa kay laing Dios nga gisimba. Masa may relationship anang adulterers at adulteress. Di ba, ang tawag sa ubang tao sa ilang asawa o sa iyang bana, ang ilang bathala. Di ba? Di ba bathala ang ilang tawag sa ilang asawa? Kung naa sila laing asawa, naa sila laing bathala. Ha? Naa sila laing bathala. They worship another God and they have another wife. Multi-gods, daghang bathala, daghang asawa. Muna siya. They are almost the same. And God calls them, that's friendship with the world. And debauchery, that is the same as idolatry, adultery, and God calls that friendship with the world. Kung gusto ka o pleasures of the world, kung unsay mga gibukod sa kalibutan, maupo na ang tawag sa Ginoo kanimo. You are friends of the world. If you are a friend of the world, you are not a friend of God. Sa do sa 1 John 2:15, love not the world because the world, what is the world? What is in the world? The lust of the eyes, the lust of the flesh, and the pride of life. Muna siya ang tumong sa kalibutan. And if you are a friend of the world, if you run after the world's lust, then you are not a friend of God. And that is not very good. What is the real source of all this? The real source of all this in verse 5 is the Spirit that dwelleth in us lusted to envy. Nga tay espiritu diha sa ato ang kaugalingon. And again, we go back to the two natures. Natay old nature o natay new nature nga mag-away. One ko no, ingon si Ev. Natay old nature, that spirit that dwells in us. Sa maring microphone nato, mamalik na yung bagong microphone, mawawa man. Naman siya two nature po niya ito ang microphone. Naman siya, the spirit that dwelleth in us lasted. It lasted up to the point of being envious. Maninguha ni siya mula siya pinaka-source sa atong kaugalingon nga nagadrive ka nato. Unsa maning lust, unsa maning siyang envy. Phonos meaning to jealousy or to envy or ill will. Kanang maselos ta sa uban kay naa sila yung mga butang nga nabaton awata. Naa sila yung mga material things like gadgets nga naa sila na ibag-ong gadget si doktor or si kinsa man ay bag-ong something si Juan nawata. So we are envious, we are having an ill will, and that is the source of why we are having war within ourselves. Now let's go to the application. The wars that are happening inside or happening around us are wars that started from within. Asa man nagasugod ang mga wars? Kay kaning sa kalibutan, asa man nagsugod ang mga wars? Nganong doon na may world wars? Because there are people called Alexander the Great. Asa man ni si Alexander the Great? He wants not only to conquer the Greek world, he wants to conquer the whole world. Up to India, iyahang na-conquer. O kung sa may nakapili kang Alexander, usa kagamay nga lamok. He contacted malaria, no? Malaria. Usa ra ka lamok. He the greatest, the strongest man, or the most powerful man of the known world during his time. Usa lang ka lamok ang nakapatay niya. And why was he trying to conquer the world? Because he wants to conquer everything. He wants to have power. Muna siya. Because he desired to have everything. Napoleon wants to conquer also the world. And so he tried to conquer the world until he reached Waterloo. So may buot pasabot sa word nga Waterloo. Unsa may Waterloo sa tao? What does it mean when you are asked, what is this Waterloo? Doon na yung mga tao nga nahagbog sa ilang kinabuhi tungod lang sa babae. Diba? Una iyang Waterloo. O there is a term also that, the term Achilles heel. Isa man si Achilles?
Afghan.
Kini si Achilles? Dili si Afghan. Siya si Brad Pitt. Si Brad Pitt. Unsa may Achilles heel ni Brad Pitt? Babae. Gyapon, babae, gyapon. Doon na mo inailan, no? Ang iyang Achilles heel, babae. Muna'y gikahulugan ni Achilles. Babae. Doon ay term during the face that launched 1,000 ships. Who is this woman? Helen of Troy. The face that launched 1,000 ships. Laliman mo na, 1,000 ships. Troy, which is known for a Trojan horse, apil po diya si Achilles. The reason why there was war because of a woman, Helen.